RERA, carpet area and table. First, trim all doors. Then select architectural menu, area oblique carpet area calculation. Then select C area. Then press C and enter the text height. Then select flat number and press enter and pick inside. Select flat number, enter and pick inside. Then command cancel. Then press enter again and press S for staircase. S, enter and pick staircase. Then press again enter. Passage for fee, L for lobby. Then press enter again. Then press A for answer. Then select all plan. Press enter and enter the terrace 1 value. Terrace 2, terrace 3. Press enter and enter loading and pick outside. Then press S for stretching. Press M for move and go to architectural area oblique carpet area calculation, sequencing numbering. Select flat number and press enter. Round up area. Select architectural area carpet area calculation and click carpet area round up. Then select areas, press enter and again enter.